good morning mga ka-isla. We are here at the Puerto Princesa City International Airport and we are waiting for the return of the Philippine Airlines flight Airbus 330. Dumating na yung aircraft na yun dati doon sa old terminal and it's first time parking here sa new terminal and excited kami, inaantay namin. I think meron ng mga ibang crew doon sa area na yon. Dito siya magpa-park sa Bay 4. Ayan, meron ng ibang mga aircraft dito. Meron ng Cebu Pacific and AirAsia. Tapos darating yung Big Bird ng PAL. Super dami nila. Yan yung magiging parking bay niya. That's parking Bay 4. She is here! Wow! And it's vacating via Alpha kasi nandun yung C-130 sa Bravo.
Alpha. Normally, dito sa Bravo, kaya na nakaharap ko.
Sama ka sa vlog ko, Sir Vince.
Ay!
Kasama ko ngayon si Sir Vince, ang
Hi!
manager dito sa Philippine Airlines.
Hello! Thank you for supporting us!
Oo naman! Sa kanya ko rin nalaman yung exact date eh.
Right,
Tsaka
today.
time.
3 times a week. Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays.
Nice! Cebu Airbus pushing back. That's the follow me car. And Philippine Airlines Airbus 333. Parking here at Bay 4.